Chapter 6 Into the Wonderful World of the Sky. In the last class, we have just started our chapter 6. It is related to stellarium. So, dear children, you got a gap due to the examination. So, we can just revise what all things we have studied from this chapter. Okay. Take page number 51. Here you can see the box for you to fill. You have written next new moon date 16th October 2020. Then the time of sunset you have written 8:32 p.m. around 8:32 p.m. Okay. Then dear children, we study to open stellarium. How can we open stellarium? Here in the textbook it is given that applications science stellarium. Okay. But now we are using the latest version of Ubuntu in our computer. So applications education stellarium. You have to rewrite the word science and write the education. Okay. Application, education, then stellarium. Next, we have studied to adjust the place by using the location window. Then we can adjust the date and time by using date or time window. Next, we can search the moon, sun, planets, etc. with the help of search window. Right. Next, we have studied a new tool, that is center on selected object. We can just select the object. Our object here is moon. Okay. So select object moon. Then we can click on the center on selected object tool. Now what happens? Yes, the moon will be displayed at the center of our computer screen. Okay. Next we can zoom and adjust the size of the objects in the stellarium software by using the scroll wheel of the mouse. Okay. Next we can move one day forward and backward in date or time window. Okay. So dear children, we can open stellarium software. How can we open stellarium software? Application, education, stellarium. And here take figure 6.1. You can see lot of circles. These circles denotes moon. Okay. And here you can see the date. So you have to write the date here and you have to shade the moon as according to the display in the screen. Okay. So we can just go through the practical section. Applications, education, then stellarium. When the stellarium window is opening, you can see the tool boxes in the left and bottom portion of our computer screen. We can just fix that by clicking on that triangle. Okay. So this is the location window. We can just adjust any place here. Now I am typing Thiruvananthapuram here. So click on Thiruvananthapuram, India. After seeing the yellow color, you can just close that window. Next we can adjust the date and time. Okay. So the year is 2020. That's enough. Next the date. The month is 11th. Okay, we have to adjust it to October, that is 10th month. Okay, so this is the backward button. Just click once. Okay. If you want to make it as 9, you can just click once more. Okay. This is the forward button. So you have to remember the backward and forward buttons. Okay. This is the window for time. We can adjust the time into night. Okay. Okay. Now we can make use of the search window to search the moon. Type here moon, then press the enter key in your keyboard. Now can you see the moon in the screen? No? Okay, don't worry. There is a solution for that. Here you can see the ground tool. This is the ground tool. Okay, can you see this ground tool? So we can make use of the ground tool, which will help us to see the stellar objects beyond the earth. Okay, if it is hidden means we can click on that. See, now I am clicked on the ground tool, hence we can see the moon. Okay, now using the scroll wheel you can adjust the size of the moon. Okay, can you see the moon? It's looking nice now. Okay, so our next step is that you can forward the time and you have to write that date in the textbook, figure 6.1. Okay, now I am just changing the date. I am changing 16 to 17. Okay,